Lucifer, Satan. Christian mythology. Lucifer, once an esteemed angel, rebelled and became the devil, considered the strongest of all demons. 2. Beelzebub. Known as one of the demon princes in Western culture, Beelzebub is believed to possess significant power and influence. 3. Mephistopheles. In German folklore, Mephistopheles is often depicted as a primary associate of Lucifer, wielding immense power in seduction and deception. 4. Asmodeus. Among the demon princes in Jewish mythology and Kabbalah, Asmodeus is regarded as one of the mightiest demons, often associated with jealousy and sexual temptation. 5. Azazel. In various legions and scriptures, Azazel is seen as one of the most powerful demons, particularly in causing havoc and failure for humans. Which demon impresses you the most? Follow and leave a comment.
Ayan po. Manalangin po tayo. Ama namin,
Sumasalangit ka, sambahin ang ngalan mo.
mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob